In this video, we're going to show you how to fix the program can't start because Steam underscore API.dll is missing from your computer. So this issue is because of an issue with the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable package. You should check for updates and reinstall the software. So what you want to do is go to your browser and just type Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable package, and it's going to be the first option. Don't look down because there are a lot of shady websites out there. So it's going to be the first one, which is the Microsoft website. And here you're going to see the Visual C++ files that you need to download. Most of the time, it's going to be the x64 or the 64-bit rate, which is this one. So just click on this, and then what you want to do is it's going to be downloaded, as you can see. Then click on that, and it's going to set up, right? So you can try to repair first and then see if that works. But if not, you need to uninstall it and then install it again using the same file that you downloaded, right? Yes, I want to cancel. And then after that, if that still doesn't work, you might want to go to Windows Defender, or Windows Security. There you go. And then you gotta go to Virus and Threat Protection and do a quick scan, or better yet, do a full scan. But the full scan takes a bit more time. Probably maybe 10-15 minutes, depending on how fast your computer is, to see whether or not there are any malicious files that you accidentally downloaded. And after that, you need to restart the PC, and you're going to be fine. And that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.